Okay, down here at the lake with Project Stock Blackjack 24 here. Did some ballasting changes. Move the batteries back. And it's pretty successful. So take a couple laps here. See how she does. A lot better in the corner. Oh baby, nice. Sliding out of the corner. Yeah, that was 3/4 throttle. This is 4-cell stock float, by the way. Wide open, looking pretty. Alright. Yeah, baby. Come on now. Ooh, that's looking good. Turn hard, turn hard. Yeah! Okay, float it in. Back on the throttle. Look out for the damn ducks. Well, that's not bad, huh? Got fishermen coming by. I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera off. Anyhow, mess with your balance. Bring the batteries back. Have a good day.